Yo, let me know if you guys can hear me. Yo, so yesterday this trade right here had stop. We would have had a stop 2 pips. It stopped us out. Actually gone for a That's why I often say I'm usually not wrong on the directions. This one stopped us out by 2 pips. It's all good. Keep it moving. Go ahead and top down analysis. Alright guys, there's gold and GJ. sorry, could you guys hear me? My bad. My mic is a little far. Yes, I'm here. Gold is making the middle finger. Yeah. Okay. Just gonna be patient. We're waiting for a breakout, but if I see something on a smaller time frame, like a quick scalp, I might jump into it. I'll let you guys know though. I mean, if you look at gold from this perspective, channel that is. After been moving up. Peak here. Crash down. Pattern to. I think we probably test. Came and created double bottoms here. Pushed up. This is the lower high. Yeah, it looks, I mean, for the New York session, we had this volume here. Basically. Those is a push up. Even Asian session pushed up even higher. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, 167.40. That wouldn't. I'm looking for a level of resistance, like from where price is currently at. So looking left, the next level of resistance is up here. 6740 is below that. That's not how the breakout would work. Because this is a level of support, not a level of resistance from where price is currently at. 6780. Right here. Or are you talking about this level? From this level to the next level on the price action, it's 9.7 pips. So if you think about it, price was to break right on the line, which I wouldn't take because for me I need the body across. Let's say the body's across 1 pip, so then you have 8.7 pips. Then you have a spread, let's say it's 2 pips, so that you're gonna take a risk of whatever the wick is for 6 pips. It's not gonna be worth it. I just know that off the top of my head, so I don't put it there. I do feel like this zone here, people expecting to put buys in, and their stops below here, getting stopped out, targeting either this or here. So once we start taking those out, see the price reverse, because this is the most common stop right here. Where you'll see it targeted. So by understanding that on a smaller time frame, if I can start to see price reversal with some bullish engulfing candles, we might have an opportunity. But that wouldn't be part of the breakout strategy. Playing within. Obviously, if it breaks out, then we have an opportunity. Might have a chance here on gold. If the candle breaks out. Wouldn't be 1-to-1. We wouldn't take that. Hopefully it's the next one with the smaller wick. Yeah, my 1-to-1, for it to be feasible, needs to be, my TP1 target needs to be at least 1-to-1. So it would be a matter of waiting for that candle to form and close so I can see how far the wick is and how far the first target is. It's worth it to us. But just from experience, I know that I need at least 15 pips, like as the range. 10, 15, 20 pips is what I'm looking for when I draw it up. So when, for example, this range to here is about like 20. So I know within that I definitely secure 10, 15 pips. I'm feeling like shit today. But I wanted to come live. think I'm dehydrated. So this is gold chart. Close to our breakout area is gonna be prices based on prices. That area, the way that it qualifies left of here. Here we have trade commodities, indices, and any indicators, guys. Great price act, top down. Well, this is my primary. On the 50. Used. An hour before sorry, an hour before market open and an hour after. I do not trade oil, do not trade crypto. Right now it's all about setup. Right now it's all about setup. Sometimes I've seen setup valid that comes in at 12:30, 12, but usually by like 1 o'clock, 1:30, you start seeing some movement. So in about 50 minutes, 45 minutes. I'm from Texas. I'm not in a trade right now, guys. Whenever I get into a trade, I will mark up my entry. Just waiting for the market to show us where to go. We don't predict price, we only react to price. This is on TradingView. TradingView.com. This is just a charting platform. I execute on MetaTrader. Yesterday we took 2 L's. Okay, but I was going over when we started yesterday's trade where we took the buy on GJ. We took the buy here, but our stops was 13 pips. And it was like 2 pips. Stopped us out by 2 pips. And then it missed out on that one. I was off by 2 pips. A pip is what's referred to as a point in percentage. It's used as a reference of measurement between price moving up 1 or down 1, depending on the asset that you're looking at. A pip could be a different number on the number scheme here. So when you're looking at, for example, GJ, it has 3 digits, a decimal, and then 3 more digits. A pip on that would be the second number after the decimal. So if it moves from 1 to 2, that's 1 pip. I don't expect price to go anywhere. I just react to it. I don't predict price. If you're completely new to trading, if you go to that link on my screen, there's a completely free mini course for intro to trading. Completely free. You guys can click on the link in there, take that to understand, at least get you to a point where you can take a trade. There's still a lot more that goes into actually building a trading plan and having a strategy, your risk management, all that good stuff. The specific strategy that I'm using today for this is my specific breakout strategy. I've been using it for many years. It's based on leveraging pre-market and market open volume. I'm just trying to capture 10, 15, 20 pips, quick scalp, in and out. This isn't a swing trade. This isn't intraday. This is short, quick, and easy. Keeping it simple. I don't trade any stocks, invest in stocks. Trade currency, commodities, and indices. What's the reason for not trading crypto? I mean, I just don't. I invest in crypto. I have coins that I buy every week, and but not I don't know. I mean, I do well enough trading GJ, gold, and US, and I do currencies like I have that I send out to my VIP for intraday or swing. I use for the most part I use pattern trend trading for that. On higher time frames, hour one. A different strategy. What do you think? What do I think about what? Think to power chart. For like a swing setup. Hour. What it looks like to me. Hour. We've been bullish. We had been creating highs, and now I think maybe we'll get a retest. Maybe not this high. I think just based on market structure, we've broken this trend line here, bullish trend line, and here was the high, here was high, here was high, low, low, it's a higher low. So it could be kind of coming into a wedge. Either breakout, one or the other. No wick to the downside, impulse move. Could just be coming up to capture some volume liquidity. The only reason I think it'll pump down is because there's no wick to the side here on this candle. Usually when you see moves like that, they're impulse. They're usually followed by corrections. For example, this candle here. This candle, push up. No wick to the downside. What did the next candle? Did push up, right? But closed bearish. So the next candle after this could close bearish. Advice for teen traders, and you know, I would figure out, you know, how committed you are to this. I would take a methodical approach to it. You got to take it as serious as if it's a business. Jump in, pick one pair, one strategy, one session, and just stick with that till you can master that. So you have winning, you're consistent, you're profitable, because that's gonna teach you a lot. Because a lot of times you got to figure out more about yourself and your personality and how you are as a trader to be consistent. And most people think, oh, this strategy doesn't work or this pair doesn't work. You can make money on any of them. Not that the pair's not working. Strategies. It has a lot to do with your trading psychology, your emotions, how you are as a trader, your personality, that good stuff. So focus on one so you can be consistent and profitable, and that'll get you to a point where you understand what it takes to develop that, right? There's no target right now for gold. I'm waiting for a breakout. Waiting for might pump up here, but even if this candle is the one that breaks out, I won't get in because it doesn't have a wick to the downside. What are the things you look at before you choose a broker? Their customer support, their withdrawal methods, the price that they have, the execution of that price, the spreads, commissions. Some of the things that I would look. I'm stuck on structure. What do you mean? Stuck up? Like you don't understand price structure? That's a broad question. Influences you check before taking any sell or buy on this particular strategy, on what strategy itself. Like I have rules on my breakout strategy. First of all, the candlestick, how it closes. where it closes, the wicks to the downside, to the upside, the candle where it closes in the next target level. Is it within, is it fair for me to take that like reasonable where I can make 1-to-1 at the bare minimum? Regulated or unregulated? 100%. I mean, I think you should go with a regulated broker if you can. If you're in the US, it's difficult. So a lot of people that are in the US will end up choosing an unregulated broker. Not all unregulated brokers are like not good brokers, because I've seen some that are horrible and they don't pay out and all kinds of stuff. But there's options out there that are unregulated, but they, I mean, at least for me, I use an unregulated broker and don't have any issue. Yeah, I don't know about Europe, man. I mean, you'd have to do research. The time frame is on the screen, guys. It's 15-minute chart. Yeah, I do not do binary options. If the candle broke the line you buy, no, it's not just an impulse entry. I wait for the candle to break and close, and then I read the price action on it, right? How the candle is closing in reference to the previous candles. For example, if this candle closes above, that would trigger my first indication to enter for a buy. But I wouldn't enter because, first of all, this is a massive candle, no wick to the downside. So for me, that is an impulse. More than likely, we'll see a correction come after that. On top of that, if I was to enter into a buy here and put my stops below here, we'd be looking at about a 32 pip stop. And my first target is only 17 pips, meaning my risk to reward would be a 0.56. That means it would not be worth it. I would not get in. Right. Great questions today, TikTok. Usually it's a bunch of experts coming into my stream trying to tell other people what to do. Hey, it's a bunch of great questions. The risk reward is automatically calculated with this tool. It's going to be based on where you put your stops. See the stop, how I move it. Depending on where I move it, it'll tell you how many pips, and then where you move your entry, where you move the first target, right? And then right here in the middle, it says risk to reward ratio. Right here is 0.78. As I move this, it moves it higher. Like if there would be 1. This platform right here is called tradingview.com. It's just a charting platform. Use fair value gap / imbalance. I know I do not. That stuff is fairly new. I've been trading way longer than that stuff. I don't speak well, ICT smart money concepts, so I don't do none of that. Could be break and read. If we get some here. I don't trade crypto. I don't use any indicators. This is tradingview.com. It's just a charting platform where I mark everything up. Everything you see on the screen I marked up. No indicators. I execute on MetaTrader. How did your New York session trade go? I didn't trade New York Monday. Trade Tuesday. So today I will trade it. Doing good, doing good. Waiting for a setup. Got gold and we got GJ that we're waiting on. Look at this. Yo, 15 pip stop. I like this. 16 seconds. I'm gonna take a buy here on GJ. In 10 seconds. About a 15 pip stop, guys. 15 pip stop. Buy on GJ. Be ready. Jumping in. I am in on a buy on GJ. The 15 pip stop. P1 is at 15 pips. One 67.72. We're in a buy, guys, on GJ. 802. See how this goes. No, this wasn't waiting for candle closure. This is not the breakout strategy. It was a pullback and break of the lows for a movement to the high. That's what I'm looking for. It's still within the range. This isn't the breakout strategy. So the stop loss is 67. 2. Entry is at 167. 2. TP1 is at 1770. T2 is at 167.852. Everybody should be in profits, guys. A couple of pips there. Everything's marked out on the screen, guys. So this entry was based on the 15-minute here, how we had this low here created in the Asian session with the pullback here. So market structure will have everyone putting buy entries here for stops below for a higher high, came down, broke down lower, come and meet this bottom level of support. That is the bottom range of the actual range here. So what I was looking for is on the 5-minute bullish confirmation, and so I got that with these candle structures here, especially this one. So for that, that's what confirmed. Gold is breaking out to the upside here. It's kind of like on the line, and even if this was to break on there, the risk to reward not be worth it. So I wouldn't take that trade. So the TP levels are meant for you to take action. At the bare minimum at TP1, you should be closing partials and adjusting your stops to break even, making it a risk-free trade. How much you close, that's going to be totally up to you, depending on your risk management, depending on your trading plan, and what you want. I mean, if you have a small account, at TP1 you could close the whole thing. If you have, like, your, for the most part, I think me at the beginning of the week, I would close a higher percentage. Like if it's my first trade of the week, you know, I'd probably close 80%. You know, if I've already had trades in profit, like maybe I just close 50%. If it's at the end of the week and I'm already in profits, I can just move my stops to break even and don't close partials and just let it continue. Just really depends on you and your plan, your appetite, personality. I am in an active trade, guys. The trade is in here. If you're looking to get in right now, you'd get in at a better price than me. I'm down 5 pips, 4 pips. This is pound JPY. GBP JPY. Is a currency. If gold set something up, maybe. Now it doesn't look. Let's see, this just reversing. Like I said earlier, breaking a retest. Rejection. This candle is bearish engulfing. Wicks. That would be a nice short. All the experts are joining us now. This is GBP JPY. I think if everybody is saying sell, like I feel even more confident about buying. What is a good amount of money to trade with to begin with? Whatever you're comfortable losing. 100%. I'm in a buy, guys. I am in a buy. You guys are what? You guys are crazy. Oh, here she comes. About to hit my stop. First sell of watch it pull all the way back up. Imagine. No, never modify your stops, guys. Never modify your stops. Don't care how tempting that can be. That's how you blow accounts. At the end of the day, you're giving yourself a chance, you know? Either it's gonna move your way or it's gonna hit stops, and you can't have emotion either way. Like, let it do its thing. All you can do is continue to get better. If this hits my stops, that was the chance I was willing to take. That was what I risked. I was okay with that. I'm still in it. Um, mm, bro, people's emotions show when you're drawdown. Like, I think it's funny. Super emotional. Everybody's calling for buys now in the chat in TikTok. My mic's not messed up. It might just be you. I'm not really talking, guys. I'm feeling like I'm coming down with something. I have a horrible headache and I feel like shit. But I wanted to make sure to come live because I was going to trade regardless. This is actually the 5-minute time frame. I'm sorry, because I usually do the breakout on the 50th. But I saw an opportunity and I took it. Bro, why are you talking about the 4 hour, man? I'm doing a quick scalp. I'm just trying to capture 10, 15, 20 pips. This is a live trade. This isn't gonna go on forever. You guys are wild. Going into profit now. Back at entry. I'm in on a 50 lot and you guys are tripping over a 0.2 fucking like Jesus Christ. Crazy. Oh. I'll be right back, guys. I'm back. Oh, please tell me how you guys are all the experts. Yeah, I'm never gonna let it affect me. I just think it's funny. Like, I don't care what anyone says, even if I hit stop. Bro, there's so many comments I can't even keep up with it. They're like going way too fast. Way too fast. There's no indicators, guys. Straight price action. I don't use indicators. Yeah, comments go to show how important psychology is rated. 100%. Guys, I don't know if you remember me watch one of your Discord lives when I pass my tomorrow and get my first payout. What do you? Why not? Everyone, what I'm saying. What are you talking about, bro? It's because like, there's a lot of comments going really quick. I can only see like 3 comments at a time. Not about. I don't use indicators. It's actually on the 5. tradingview.com. Don't use indicator. Guys, I've been trading since 2014. In about 9 years. I'm gonna keep trading how I trade. Yeah, if I hit stops on this, I can take a second trade. I allow myself risk management. My trading plan allows for a second trade if the setup is there. The layout is different because I had to use an old layout. The platform that I was using wasn't working, and this old layout doesn't have like the camera and the profits. I didn't have time to do all that. I really didn't feel like it. I feel like shit. 500 plus people. I don't know if I want all those people in YouTube. YouTube is a lot more calm, cool, collected. The comments over here on TikTok, they're crazy. Yeah, if you're looking for a little more civilized conversation, you guys can join the YouTube chat. Stream is on the YouTube. Keep me entertained. Appreciate the love, guys. Thanks for the likes. I can't with this TikTok today. Are you watching this, CJ? It's wild, dude. It's hit or miss sometimes, man. Like, gotta love when they show up. This might be the best one, you know. Yeah. 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 Still in this trade, guys. Still in this trade, just be breaking highs. Want to appreciate the love, guys. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for sharing the stream. That's what we want to see in price action. Breaking the high, letting it do its thing, being patient. Everyone quiet now. It's all good, man. Being patient, man. Being patient. Remember what we do at TP1, guys. Bro, I didn't even record this one. Otherwise I would, but well, maybe I can grab it from the YouTube. I swear it's just the people that don't know me, you know, they get on and they think they're the best and like give their opinion, of course. Come on, baby, hit TP1. We want to hear the horns. TP1 hit. TP1 hit. There's the horns. You know what we do at TP1, fam? There's the horns for the people in the back. One time for the haters. That's a win. You heard that? TikTok, that's a win. So you know what we do at TP1, fam? Go ahead, close partials, adjust your stops to break even. Beautiful trade. A little bit of a drawdown, but part of the game. Stay patient. We don't let our emotions get the best of us. And we take a win. Hope you guys come on tomorrow and hate on me some more. Can I get a W in the chat? Who took a win with me? Look at that massive move. Look at the massive move. Who's still selling? Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Feel like shit, guys, but I'm glad we were able to take a win. I think I'll take another trade because I'm just... Gold doesn't look nice. It is probably gonna need a correction. That nice 650 taken, 450 running, nice. Oh. Appreciate the love, guys. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for sharing the stream. Hit that like button if you made some profits. Hit that like button if you learned something. Hit that like button if you came in hating and then realized I was the real one. Appreciate it. Nice. Congratulations. Congratulations. You guys were able to make profit. Remember, guys, at this point, you should have taken partials. Your stops are at break even. This is a risk-free trade. Ain't no losing on this one. Lovely trade. Lovely trade. I don't use any indicators. I've been trading since 2014, guys. Been trading for a while. Trading is my primary source of income. Makes me all my money, well, most of my money. I have a few other businesses. It's coming back to break even. Close me out at break. This is why we take partials and adjust our stops to break even. Because we don't want to risk anymore once we get that move that we're looking for. I'm going to be trading New York today, guys, with VIP. So if you're in my VIP, I will send a Zoom link out at 8:30. And we will be trading US 30. I'm already completely out of this. I'm just doing. Three. And this is what I talk about, like, just because I took a buy doesn't mean people that sold aren't. That was trade within the range. We still have our breakout. I wouldn't take this breakout just because there's no stop in this. See what goes. If this didn't have a wick to the downside, have a wick. Now this is why you have to take partials and adjust your stops at TP1. Exactly why. I teach for everybody. Yeah, if you're looking for any of my paid stuff, it's on this link here. My course, the VIP, the free Telegram, free Discord, YouTube, Instagram, all of that's on there. Look at this, like, move down with rejection wicks, rejection wicks, rejection wicks. I think it could possibly be breaking a retest. You guys see that? Look at price action. 5 minutes. I have a wick down there. Even this looks like a bullish flag. I see that, right? Got into the channel. Now this, 16 pips. Not in a trade right now. We already took a win here on GJ. Looking at this trade, but this risk to reward is not going to be in our. Really, the breakout needs to be but honestly, if we could get some decent price action on the 5-minute, we could enter. This candle doesn't have a wick to the bottom. This bottom, I don't like it. We took our profits already on. And this isn't a trade, I'm just demonstrating where I would want to enter, where I would like the candle to close above. I don't use Fibonacci. I don't use any indicator. Peace, brother. Peace, peace. Maybe if we have a 15-minute bullish engulfing candle here, this would be a good confirmation for a buy, just because of this heavy rejection support formed right here on this level of break and read. I send out my schedule Sunday or Monday. This week I'm trading London Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I'm trading New York Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. New York I only trade with VIP. Got about a minute and 30 seconds. If this 15-minute candle closes bullish engulfing, then I might take a buy. Maybe. Got about a minute and 20 seconds. Yeah, the New York session I trade live. Not every New York session, but I announce my schedule on Sundays, and I only trade it with VIP. About 45 seconds left. I would ideally like a wick to 30 seconds, guys. Looking good. It's about a 25 pip stop. Calculate your risk. We got about 15 seconds. Calculate your risk. All right, I'm jumping into a buy, guys. Jumping into a buy on gold. Close of this candle. Stops below here. It's about 23. I'm gonna first take profit there. I am in a buy, guys. Gold. Minute chart. Everybody should be in profit. We're up about pumping. TP1 incoming. Remember what we do at TP1, guys. Chart for you guys. Thing was three and a half. They should have taken taken partials and move my stops to break. This is we broke highs. At TP1, you should be adjusting your stops to break even and take. This is on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, usually if it's within 2-3 pips of TP1, I go stops to break even. Just because that's, I mean, that's the same as the spread, you know. But I was typing it out for you guys. I didn't have it ready. Do you have a funded account? No, I trade my own. I'm self-funded. I started trading before top firms were a thing. I didn't have that. I've done challenges and passed them and made videos on them and gotten payouts before. Just to prove that it can be done, but I'm gonna pay attention real quick because it's teasing me. I really enjoyed the my US 30 scalp strategy because it's quick. Made my money in like done. Trade. Oh, How much did I risk on this? It was 1.7%. Second trade of the day. Profits. VIP gets all of my trades. They get my trade breakdowns. They get my reasons for entries. They get when I do the US 30 scalp session, New York session, live session, and then all the trades that I take, I send. So like during the week when I have intraday setup swings, VIP gets that. And it comes with, you know, entries, stop losses, how many pips you're risking, different profit level. About 3 minutes left. So I announce my live schedule every Sunday. I'm gonna start subscription, but I send it out on Instagram and I do not trade crypto. I do buy and hold crypto. If you're completely new and you want to start learning this and understand what I'm doing, you go to the link on the screen, the link tree. There is a free mini course intro, so you can at least get to a point where do I only short or only buys? I do whatever the market tells me. You know, I set up parameters. I wait for the market to do its thing, and then I react to it. You know, our job as traders is not to predict price, react to it. No, it's too early to consider it a flip. Even with that doji happening, like this next candle could be, if it closes bullish, then continuation. It'll fill the wick, and then if it closes lower and breaks that level of support, closing with the candle body below, then maybe. Now GJ, we won on GJ, hit T1. Already made my money on GJ and got out. Won and got out and saw this gold and take it. That's funny. This guy says, I hope this goes green as fuck so this Kenyan guy can stop spamming. I don't think I'm getting like everybody said I should sell GJ too, and I made my profit on that as well. I think like a strategy could be just going on this chat and then seeing what everybody says and then doing the opposite. You know? If everybody's saying sell, then I feel confident in my buys. I mean, I'm not in GJ anymore. I'm not even looking at it. I'm in gold right now. In an active trade on gold. I'm not going to look at GJ because I'm in an active trade on gold. That would be over trading. You don't want to do that. I could look at it if I had if I moved my stops to break even and it was risk free. Then I could look at it, but you don't need to be profitable in trading, guys. Has nothing to do with taking a bunch of trades. You know? And literally just do one. Be patient. Like everyone's in such a hurry, and that's the biggest fucking problem. Is that everyone's in such a fucking hurry to be a millionaire yesterday that they're emotionally trading. Do you ever swing trade? I do swing trade. I send those out to my VIP. More trades equals more money? No, 100% not. 100% not. You understand the probability of you losing money increases with the amount, like how many trades you start taking. Not trading is also trading 100%. A swing trade is a trade that you're going to hold longer than a session. If you hold it, if you get in London and you hold it to New York, or hold it a day, or hold it a week, or hold it a month, that's a swing trade. Appreciate the likes, guys. Appreciate the love. Thanks for the gifts. Somebody gave me a world earlier. Whole ass world. Appreciate it. We are scalping. That's what we're doing. We're gonna scalp. We're gonna be in and out of this trade, where the live session is already in it. Should have took partials earlier when it was like 2-3 pips away, but I was busy typing these out for you guys that I missed my chance right here. Quick. 3 pips away from TP1. Ideally, I would have taken that, but I didn't, so I'm still in it. Yeah, 100%. I could be buying something and you could be selling it, and we could still both make money. Just like GJ earlier, I hit my TP1, made my money, got out, and then it dumped. It's so for the people that were selling, they got their money if they held on. Be for the gems most. Got about 7 minutes left on this candle. Yo, do I got any gamers on here? I just started recently playing PC games. Well, I don't even want to say PC games, but like 2-3 different games. But I just started playing the Warzone. I'm not very good, but I definitely want to get better. You guys should add me on there. You guys play. I don't know if you guys can find me on there or not, but my name's the same, Lord Banks. So traditionally I'm always using a breakout strategy, but on this particular trade I decided to go in on this break and retest here of this level where we broke through. See all this rejection, see this bullish engulfing candle. At the close of this bullish engulfing candle, I got in, put stop with the expectation this pushing up. Yeah, don't get me wrong, I love trading, but like during the weekend there's no the markets are closed. I'm from Texas. Good old Texas. Texas born and raised. I have like 20 other strategies. You know, just depending on. I'm a versatile trader. Very versatile trader. Yeah, I don't pay attention to the chat. I do not pay attention. And I'm not emotional. Been in this too long. If it stops me out, it stops me out. Do you think it would be great to wait for confirmation above 1920 and why 1997? Yeah. Ooh, stops hit. Melted. A 1 for 1. 1 on GJ, lost on gold. All good. Alright, I'm gonna call it there. I'm not gonna press my luck. I'm gonna try to be on tomorrow, guys, but like I said, I've been feeling like shit. And I'm hoping it's nothing major and it doesn't affect me for tomorrow. But if I'm all good, we'll be live for London. I'm gonna be live for New York with VIP, scalping US 30, and I'll see you guys in. Peace.
Another live trading session in the books. Executing analysis, strategy, and discipline. Thank you for joining us for this live trading session with Lord Banks. Subscribe and turn on alerts so you don't miss the next Lord Banks live trading session.